the steering committee decided unanimously to empower the Congress president to nominate members to the CWC. We had a 2.5-hour discussion on this issue, and the dominant view, the overwhelming view was, keeping in mind the political challenges facing the country, facing the Congress party in its capacity as the main opposition, and keeping in mind the far-reaching amendments that we are going to bring about tomorrow and day after in our party's constitution. 16 articles are being amended. 32 rules are being amended. The most important of which is to provide for 50% reservation in the working committee for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, OBCs, minorities, women and youth below the age of 50. Keeping in mind both these factors, the unanimous view the steering committee was that this is the time to empower the Congress president to nominate members to the Congress Working Committee.